Alright guys, so in our last challenge, Toby was the loser in our brain freeze challenge.
Yeah.
I was the champion. So I got to pick my next challenge, which we could do a little hoops. We're gonna pick teams today, prior to us playing 2-on-2. So we have Alex, we have Jake, we have Toby, and myself. We need a hat. We're gonna draw teams. So the first name is Toby, Team 1. Team 2, Kevin.
Oh! Come on.
Team 1.
Wait, what does that mean?
Toby and Alex.
Means it's Alex and Kevin. Alex and Kevin.
Alex and
No, it's Alex and Kevin. Toby was first.
Yep.
And we picked Kevin second. It goes boom, boom. Boom, boom. Look at Kevin's face. Look at Kevin's face. Look at Kevin's face.
Well,
you
guys are hating me. You guys are hating me.
No, watch Alex.
We just got in trouble because we got so excited about the teams and who's gonna play tomorrow. Our neighbors came in to yell at us, so anyway, we'll see you on the court tomorrow.
You confident?
I am, so this is my sport, so we'll see.
How about you, Jake? Are you confident? How about you, Alex? Are you not very confident.
Yeah, I feel hungry for the win. And also hungry for the lunch that we get when we win.
You know, it's gonna be a good ball game. You know, both good competitors on.
What are you trying to say?
For the Cleveland Cavaliers, who led by as many as 16 in Game 1 of the best-of-7 Eastern Conference Final, it came down to that shot by Mo Williams off the jump ball.
Three. And what obviously turned into a devastating finals defeat. So here we go, set for Game 3 here in 2017. For Tyronn Lue, some thought there might be, but he said no way. As Irving drives and gets, let's see if that happens tonight. J.R. Smith misses. They keep him outside of the paint area and force him to be a jump shoot. Green again to Ezeli, and he's fouled on the entry pass as Tristan Thompson. Now Thompson defending Kyrie Irving, stays with him. Tough shot, banks it home. Green fakes. Green up to Ezeli, who misses from point-blank range. James comes out of the pack. Fakes, drives on Barnes, left-handed, banks it in.
Thank you, Steve. Mike.
Thank you, Doris. Well, they saw.
That should count.
Absolutely. It's been hot early. That continues.
Nudge from behind by J.R. Smith.
Klay Thompson for three. They're going to review it. James drives hard and throws it down. Arts.
Say that Steph Curry just put on Kyrie Irving to the pass.
Irving pulls up, stops on a dime and banks it in.
Mike, thank you. Your defense the last 2 games has put you in this position, but they made 5 threes. How problematic are those?
So Alex is extremely tired. He sits on the computer all day and works really hard for our clients doing videography and editing. So no one's giving him credit, but dude, you know, the guy sits in a chair all day, you know. He almost dunked on Jake. I mean, for a guy, Jake runs and plays soccer like every day and works out at the gym. He almost got dunked on Alex. I mean, Alex put LeBron on Jake.
For three. Pippen from the start. Irving to Tristan Thompson. Irving spins, drives, layup. Oh! 13 that happened, picks up his first. So national. Irving pulls back, steps back, off the rim, won't go, rebound.
Force him to get rid of the basketball and then foul. And make those shots.
Timeout, Tyronn Lue.
All pumped up and everything, no problem, right? But get the ball moving. The first few possessions, we got it moving. We got great stuff, okay? Last couple, we've taken some quick shots.
But in this situation, Iguodala could have went underneath the screen and got back to the body of James.
Jefferson gets inside. Nice fake, blocked by Spates. But you can make a case that this is the most important game of his career. Curry gets inside, a little fake shot, blocked by Thompson. A 3-on-1, exploded. J.R. Smith knocks down the three. Part of his unbelievable performance in these finals is Draymond Green. Shot clock at 5, Shumpert to drive, kicks it out Williams, and Williams was out of bounds.
And with 3 seconds left, Cleveland triggers in. James, 2 seconds, 1 second to the win. Oh! LeBron James delivers. That's a winner in Cleveland.
Game sucks. I let Kevin down. I went to basketball camp in 2nd grade. I was pretty good then.
We won. I was hot. Beat Alex. Beat Kevin. Everyone was there to witness it.
Mostly beat me.
So now we get our prize. We're gonna go get a free lunch here at Brookside's Red Door Grill. So let's eat. All right, we're on a winner's lunch out. Toby, how do you feel?
Feels good. I'm ready to eat. I'm tired. But it feels good, you know, victory, it feels good.
I feel very satisfied. I love beating Kevin. Alex, I mean, I like beating Alex too. I like winning, and I like eating.
You can order a lot of food?
As much as I can. I'm taking stuff to go.
We drew. Hey, Alex haven't played ball or touched a basketball for a very, very long time. And I have a hurt ankle, but these aren't excuses.
So Alex is paying for my bill, and I'm thinking about getting this one. With an appetizer over here. You know, gotta get the nachos, maybe even the wings. You know.
Oh, that sounds so good. I think I'm gonna get the same thing, dude. I think I'm gonna get the same thing. How are those wings, Toby?
They taste like victory.
So I'm ready for a nap. We just ate a lot of food at Red Door Grill. Guys, Alex, Kevin, thanks for buying us lunch. It was a pleasure beating you. So we need to get back to the office and try to get some work done. Next week, challenge is hot wings. So yeah, that's exactly what's gonna happen. So we'll see you next week.
See ya.